Mobile Automation Group Online Training Program, Module 1. Introduction to Mobile Automated Vehicles. Mobile Automation Group, who we are. Our mission is to promote the market awareness, growth, and effective use of driverless industrial vehicle systems, such as AGVs, AMRs, and AGCs. Our vision is to be the trusted, independent authority on driverless industrial vehicle systems. To meet the current members of the Mobile Automation Group, you can visit mhi.org/mag and click on Members. What are mobile automated vehicles? Mobile automated vehicles, MAVs, are computer-controlled wheel-based load carriers, usually battery-powered, that run on a plant or warehouse floor or, if outdoors, on a paved surface. Although some applications call for just one MAV, most installations utilize a fleet of vehicles. MAVs are sophisticated machines that sometimes represent a complete material handling solution. In other cases, they are components within a larger system. Due to their versatility and flexibility, they are installed in numerous industries and a wide range of applications. When properly applied, they increase efficiency, productivity, safety, ergonomics, and quality. AMRs and AGVs. The original MAVs were called AGVs, Automated Guided Vehicles, and can trace their origins back to the 1950s. More recently, a different type of vehicle was developed, which are called AMRs, Autonomous Mobile Robots. AGVs and AMRs are distinguished by the technology they use for navigation. AGVs follow a predefined path and do not deviate from that path. They typically have collision prevention in case an object is in their path. AMRs sense their surroundings and make decisions autonomously on what path they take. They typically have obstacle detection to enable this decision-making. Mobile Automated Vehicles Evolutions. MAV is a universal term for mobile automation technologies. As companies develop new products and standards evolve, new names continue to be introduced to describe their MAVs, such as LGVs, laser-guided vehicles, SGVs, self-guided vehicles, IMRs, industrial mobile robots, UGVs, unmanned guided vehicles, and MMRs, mobile manipulation robots. For MAG's online training program modules, the more generic term MAV is used to represent all the different acronyms used to describe mobile automation technologies. Safety is the #1 priority. An important feature of both AGVs and AMRs is that they operate safely around people. Some applications inherently must be isolated from people. These applications are typically in warehouses where faster vehicles move within dense fields of products stored in either racks or shelves. Since the introduction of AGVs, the ANSI B56.5 standard has specified how they behave when they encounter obstacles. Another standard has been developed for AMRs by A3, Association for Advancing Automation. R15.08 specifies a somewhat different approach to obstacle avoidance. Both approaches provide safe operation, but also recommend safety risk assessments, which are paramount to any MAV deployment and ongoing operation. Common MAV categories and examples. MAVs come in a variety of styles. There are several common categories that MAVs are grouped into, despite not necessarily being distinct. In material transport, we have conveyor or platform, truck, and tugger. In order fulfillment, we have person-to-goods, shelf-to-person, case-to-person, and sortation. Note that each of these vehicles are explained in more detail in Module 4. Here are some examples of conveyor and platform MAVs. Examples of truck MAVs. Other examples of truck MAVs. And additional examples of truck MAVs. Here we have examples of tugger MAVs. Examples of person-to-good MAVs. Examples of case-to-person MAVs. And examples of sortation MAVs. Congratulations! You've finished the first training module. Here are the upcoming online training modules on mobile automation vehicles. Module 2, Technical Capabilities, the history of MAV safety and navigation technology development. Types of navigation systems, safety features, types of load handling, how they are powered, maneuverability, and types of MAV controls. Module 3. How do MAVs fit in a system? Components that enable systems, communication methods, mapping and configuration software, fleet management software, system interface options to ERP or WMS, human and machine interface HMI, battery charging methods, and common traffic rules and considerations. Module 4. MAV applications. Typical and ideal applications, common processes targeted, and key industries utilizing them. Module 5. Typical justifications for MAV investments. Labor concerns addressed, safety and ergonomics improvements, operational efficiency gains, risk mitigation and future-proofing through flexibility, and indirect cost reduction. Module 6. A common approach to MAV adoption. Common steps involved in starting a project, key information to collect, simplified calculations of fleet required, considerations for simulation, and common calculations used for justification. For more information, contact MHI's Mobile Automation Group at mhi.org/mag.